Can you read these words? Yes. It's hot. Dog. Stop. No. This is not hot. It's hot. Again, it's hot. This is not dog. It's dog. Dog. That's not stop. It's stop. Stop. Why? That's because the sound of letter O is not O. No, it's A. A. Up in your mouth. A. So, it's very hot today. It's very hot today. The dog is in the box. The dog is in the box. Please stop here. Stop here. So the sound of letter O is A. A. Up in your mouth. Okay? But as we said before, letter O is one of the vowel letters which has two sounds. Short sound, which is A, and long sound, which is O. O. The name of the letter, O. When we pronounce it O, in 6 cases. Case number 1, when letter O comes with magic E. Do you remember magic E? Yes. Like smoke. O. Smoke. Smoke. Don't smoke here. Okay? Close. Close. Please close the door. Please close the door. Okay? Case number 2, when letter O followed by letter A. Like coat. Coat. Boat. Boat. I forgot my coat in the boat. Okay? Case number 3, when letter O followed by letter L. Like cold. It's very cold today. Sold. John sold his car. Case number 4, when letter O followed by letter R. Like fork. He eats with a fork and a knife. Okay? Torch. Torch. I need your torch, please. I need your torch. Case number 5, when letter O followed by letter E. Like toe. Toe. I have a pain in my little toe. I have a pain in my little toe. When case number 6, when letter O comes at the end of the word. Like no. No. Okay?